This is Mary. She studies at PUP with a biology program, and this is her daily life. But have you ever noticed that in our daily lives, we have this certain routine that we cannot live without? In particular, these are the things that we subconsciously do as we get used to it. It is called movement.
So, what is movement? Movement is an act of changing physical location or position. This simple movement has its various types and terminologies, and it contributes to our health. Without further ado, let us discuss its different types and apply it. Up first, we have gliding. Gliding movement is a type of joint motion where flat or nearly flat bone surfaces slide past each other in a back and forth or side-to-side motion without significant rotation or angular movement. And these are the examples. After the gliding movement, we also have the angular movement. Up first, we have flexion and extension, wherein flexion is a movement that decreases the angle between two bones at the joint, while extension is a movement that increases this angle, straightening the joint. It is an opposite of deflection. These are the examples for both of the movement. Next, we also have abduction and adduction, wherein abduction is moving a body part away from the body's midline, and adduction is moving the body part toward or closer to the body's midline. Notice that it can also occur in the hand as the other fingers move away and toward the middle finger. Lastly, circumduction. It is a motion of a limb or extremity that combines flexion, abduction, extension, and adduction. These are the examples that may occur. After the angular movement, we also have rotational movement. Up first, we have medial and lateral rotation. Medial rotation involves rotating the anterior surface of the body part toward the center of the body. It is also called inward rotation, while lateral rotation is a reverse movement of medial rotation as the movement of the body part is away from the midline of the body. This is also called outward rotation. Notice in this example that my thumb and foot goes inward and outward of the body part. Lastly, pronation and supination. Pronation is a rotational movement of the body part that turns it inward, while supination is a rotational movement that turns the palm and the sole of the foot outward. And last but not the least, special movements. At first, inversion and eversion. Inversion is when the sole of the foot turns inwards towards the body's midline, while eversion is the opposite as the sole of the foot turns outward away from the midline. Next, dorsiflexion. It is the bending of the foot or toes upward towards the shin, while plantar flexion is the bending of the foot or toes downward toward the sole. Also, opposition is the movement of the thumb to touch the tip of the finger, while reposition is the opposite as it returns to its original form. Also, we have protraction. It is a movement of the body part forward or anteriorly, while retraction is a movement of the body part backward or posteriorly. Meanwhile, elevation is the upward movement of the body part itself, while depression is the downward movement of the body part itself. With this, notice that the body part is elevating and depressing. Lastly, we have lateral flexion. It is a movement of the body part to the side. Basically, your body is moving sideward. In this example, These are the things that we usually do in the morning to stretch.
And that's a wrap for the movement terminologies. Mary is grateful to share this information with you.